Hello, everyone. I'm Eileen Whipple, coming to you live from Gilbert, Arizona. I am so happy and excited to talk to you today about skincare. A brief history on me: 21 years ago, I got sick. I eliminated toxins and anything I could from my system because I just couldn't get better. And anyway, as time has progressed, I've been able to regain my health with these products. But the skincare has been especially exciting because I quit putting things on my skin just because I did not understand actually the full thing. But I now know that things in our environment go through our skin in 26 seconds. It's pretty dramatic. What we put on our skin is so vitally important. I want to share with you a little history of how the skincare came to be, because most of us on this page are already on an NRF2 activator called Protandim. So let's go back to 2002. Protandim was created and being sold. In 2005, ABC Primetime came out and looked at the products, and they wanted to do an ABC Primetime to see if Protandim was real. After that ABC Primetime aired, universities and research studies companies from around the world wanted Protandim because they were studying oxidative stress, cell damage, in association with muscular dystrophy, cancer, heart disease, extending life. So they got their hands on this product and they did their own research studies. Now, some cool things that I didn't know about research was that research, to be validated, needs to be blind studied by a third-party validation. So when you do a research study, you can submit it to what we call PubMed.gov. This is a government website. Our tax dollars pay for this. The government takes all the names that could influence anybody off of the study. They send it out to 3 scientists. They look at it. They decide whether it's real or not. If they decide it's real, then the government prints it on this website called www.pubmed.com, publicmedical.com, PubMed. So if I typed in, which I did, Protandim and skin cancer, this is what came up. A study done by Louisiana State University. And here is their conclusion right here. And it says, Protandim, a combination of 5 well-studied medicinal plants, was given via dietary administration and significantly decreased tumor incidence and multiplicity 33% and 57% respectively. Now, what does that mean? That means that they were able to reduce the occurrence and reoccurrence of skin cancer in their study. So they came back to LifeVantage and they said, oh my gosh, look at this study. You need to put this into a topical. And LifeVantage were like, okay. So they made what we call the anti-aging cream. This has Protandim in it. So remember some of the elements of Protandim: anti-inflammatory, anti-scar tissue, and those elements alone are going to help your skin be healthier. So this is the skin product that they made. Now, over time, LifeVantage has made a 4-step system. So they've made a facial cleanser that I use in the shower in the morning. They make a lotion, which is super thin, so I use that on my whole body after I've showered and my body's still a little bit wet. They use an ice serum, and this ice serum actually retightens the skin around your eyes and around your face. So on me, I've lost my bags under my eyes, and also my eyes used to droop over my eye. My eyelids used to droop down, and now that has tightened back up. An interesting thing is retinol. It also reduces wrinkles, but retinols actually inflame the skin. So if you're taking a product with retinol, you're actually inflaming your skin to give the appearance of less wrinkles, and this actually retightens the skin. And then our last product, of course, is the anti-aging cream. And I really shouldn't say last product, because then they came out with a hand cream. And all of these products have that NRF2 in it. It's very important that you know that, so that you use this on your body. Now, there's a couple of things I want to point out with you with this slide. So one is that this is patented. This is the only skincare on the planet that's patented. And why? Because it actually does something different in the body. It does something unexpected. So what you put on your skin goes into your bloodstream. You want to make sure that it is a good, high quality product, that it's low toxin, right? Think Dirty app is an app you can download on your phone, and you can access it through the computer, and you can type in hundreds of products for your skin, for your body, for your shampoos, for your laundry soap, and they will rate it on a 0 to 10 level. If you have 0 to 3, you are considered a clean product, toxin-free for the environment and toxin-free for your body. Please notice LifeVantage has been certified by them to be a 0 and a 2. How exciting is that? You know you're putting something clean on your skin. On a side note, please think of your babies and these little ones that you really want to be careful what you're putting on their skin, that it is clean. Look in the Think Dirty app, find a product that works for you. I, of course, recommend these because they are patented and we don't want to lose that patent. And we also know that they are clean products. So I also want to share with you this is how some people, some of the results. So those are her bags. Those are mine right there. This is someone's abdomen. They were taking Protandim Nerve 2 inside and on the outside. And this is a man's face who used it on half of it. What I want you to know is these products are real. I want to share with you a couple of stories real quick. So I knew about the Louisiana State University study and the reduction of the skin cancer. And I knew that they put a product in the NRF2 skin anti-aging cream, broccoli. And broccoli is a natural UV protectant up to 24 hours. So I quit using sunscreen. A couple of things that I was concerned about sunscreen is, one, it was gluten, and we were gluten-free. And two, it just had a lot of toxins in it. And I just didn't want that on my body. So after we'd been on this product about 5 months, we live in Arizona, so you know that our sun is out a lot. We went to an outdoor event, and we chose not to wear sunscreen. We did get sunburned, not too badly. We came home and put this on. We had red skin, but it never peeled and it never hurt. My daughter, who did not live with us, did not do that. She went home and put vinegar on her sunburn. She called me up the next day. She was still in pain. She put vinegar on it again. She called me up the next day. She was still in pain. I said, use your TrueScience. So she did use that, and then she was able to heal. I also use this for scar tissues. So my daughter had an operation, and I put it on that scar to help reduce that scar tissue. It also helps with inflammation. So like if I get a bruise or if I sprain my ankle or something, I'm going to put it on that to help with that inflammation from the outside in. And then I take Protandim Nerve 2 to help from the inside out. Those are just a few applications. Oh, also when I burn my finger now on the stove or on the oven, I used to run for lavender oil, which works awesome, right? But now I use this. It has just been a win-win situation, and it's the amazing product. So if you have any questions about anything that I've shared with you today, please leave your comments below or PM me. Glad that we could share this. If you know people who need to know this information, please invite them into our Luv2Live group. It is a group where we want to just share with others there is another way to live. So I'm going to stop screen sharing here. And I want to thank you guys for taking time to watch this. I appreciate you, and I'm so excited that we can move forward and have products that are actually making a difference in our lives. So remember, there's a better way. Have a great day. Thanks.